Hello everyone and welcome back for some more Oxygen Not Included. Last episode we left off closing off this and dealing with water problems. Without further ado, let's get this going. Alright. What do we need now? Let's see, I'm thinking we shove this into priority up here. Along with getting these placed. Getting this up. Okay. And then we need to mop up all of this stuff. Oh, it's cold enough we are producing ice here. That's something. We possibly got a skill up. Oh no, never mind, I'm done. Okay, I'll check priorities here. Who's doing it? Okay. Let's see, what do I want this to do? What do I want this room to be? Oh yeah. I need... Well, first things first, I think I need to find some seeds. Nice. I guess we have Makruk. Yeah, I guess we have Makruk. Can we plant that in these? Did we maybe? We'll get a few planter boxes. And then we'll shove this into decently high priority here. And we have enough for another duplicate. Bristle Blossom. For another dupe. Let's see, increase medicine. I don't really need that right now. Cannot do attacking errands. Decrease medicine and immune to food. You know what, I think we make the Bristle Blossom seeds. Alright. Yeah, we got some beds built. Oh, this needs a hard digger. That's... Well, let's see, skills. Who's gonna be digging here? Oh, you. Wait, no, you're not. That's not digging. You like doing digging. We'll probably have you do it next. Alright. Research. We need research done. Let's see. Next thing here is probably actually this, to be honest with you. Well, yeah, if you guys would just mop here, Jesus Christ, guys. Already this shit. Thank you. Cancel. Alright, we got 7% highest stress. Population of 5. 1 sick duplicate. You're sick with food poisoning. I get it. We don't have the greatest of foods right now. And we won't mark you for being attacked because I don't want you eating my stuff. Alright. Honestly, these can probably be deconstructed. And then, what else do we got here? Alright, I guess while they're doing this stuff... There's still water here? What? I don't think there's water there anymore, it doesn't look like it. Alright. Let's see, we got some more Makbars going. This water is just extremely cold. Okay, I would like y'all to prioritize getting this thing. And research. Let's see, what do we have now? I don't really need the cores. Really need the rock crusher. Guess better power generation. And what are you all doing? Are you just hauling stuff right now? Okay. Schedule. Bath. You know what? We don't even have a bath right now. I guess that is like the next thing on our list. But first I want like a designated place for water. By water I mean bad water. What we'll probably get to. Nah. Well, wait a minute. Let's see here. They're sleeping their booties off. Check skills. No one has any new skill points yet. Oh, Frank. Yeah, Frankie wouldn't be so stressed if we would just stop going in here for a minute. And we'll even actually cancel these because we can plant the better things now. Alright, and then let's see. I guess I gotta wait for them to build one. Oh, we have skill. Ooh, skill. I guess improve strength. Alright. And we have more research to do. I guess we'll start learning medical stuff. Makes the most sense. Alright. And then we have water tiles. And you know what? We can just cancel this. No recipes. Okay. Prioritize getting this done, guys. Come on. And no one wants to empty this. Dude. All right. Okay, another cycle. Whatever, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, you can finally get a house planted. Let's see. Just the blossom seeds? Okay. First 41 to 86 with a pressure of 150 grams minimum. Oh, we are way over that. And water. And then copy, paste. And then we shall get some lighting involved here. Alright. And power. Let's see. Oh. We'll delete that in a second there. Alright. And then as for you, copy settings. There. Oh my god, another duplicate. The increased excavation cannot do attack errant, increase bladder. Small bladder. Better construction. Cannot really do a husbandry, cannot. Skilled griller. Immune to food poisoning. Increase. Honestly, we need a digger. We need a dedicated digger. Skills. Rowan, you can maybe do better construction. But you were, I was told you were a great digger, but you're not. You don't have the actual digging skill. You suck. I mean, I guess I could make you digging skill. But your morale, which is. I guess we'll wait till who has passion for. Okay, so after you get a skill up, which isn't actually too far away, we'll transfer you to hard digging as well. Priorities, new duplicate. Your priorities are all of this. Okay. I think it's time we did some more digging. Let's see. First, we actually kind of need some tile placed down here. And digging. We need to get into this. Alright. Copy your settings, let's go. Yeah, there isn't any real... Okay, so this is granite, and it can't be mined very easily. Another ladder up here. Build up to here. Well, order the of this 17 by 5 area. You know what, we'll deconstruct this guy. And get ladders going down to here. Alright. We gotta do some air filtration rope. And then we need supercomputer. I'm thinking, kind of like right up here. Gonna be our new area. A power. And then we're gonna get in some batteries. Not those batteries, both. Alright. We have somebody who got a skill up. Gosman. Here we go. Somebody who can do hard dig. Alright. Insufficient oxygen. It's still... Okay, it's barely breathable up here. I guess I need some oxygen gem here. Power. Oh. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, mess. Alright. And then we'll get some air tile there. There. Now we can dig into the hard stuff. That's good. Let's see, we got polluted ice, slime, algae. Oh, let's... Where's the... Thermal. This is very not good. Only germs I see are here. That's good. Alright. Oh, what do these need? Don't they need to be, like, piped up with plumbing? Probably do. Oh no, they don't, okay. Need water delivered. Okay, you just need illumination, which I'm working on. Okay. Alright, I guess it's time to shove things into priority, because y'all ain't doing shiz. We got another Duke skill. I guess improved carrying for now. Get the Lulu hat. Alright. Look at him sleep. Let's see. We also do need a mess hall here. You know what? I'm thinking we put the mess hall like right here. Let's see, where's Why do I keep clicking off of the things that I needs? And I will get this a bit more here. Alright. Now you have light. And you should grow. Rust. That's... It's a light. Yeah. And pick all of this up. I guess we can also dig. I know I kinda don't. Unbreathable carbon dioxide and stuff I don't really care about, pretty much. Oh look, all of that's done. Oh, another dupe skill up. Let's see. Oh, your only real passion is grilling. Just grilling them. Alright. I forget what you cook. I'ma try and place you. I don't think anyone wants bristleberry sludge. Okay, we can get rid of you, actually. And then we can start working on things like this. Alrighty. What else do we got going on here? We got all this. We're full up on our storage bin, so we're gonna need storage. It's not a— oh yeah, it is a base. I'm dumb. I probably have to wait for them to get built. Let's see, priorities. Set you as a 7. And we'll get this done here. I'll try and get somebody to go down here. Yeah, we need to start thinking about where we want the rest of our poop water to go. And I'm thinking I kinda want it to go right here. Maybe not exactly right here. Let's see. Oh. Manual lock. Airflow tile. Water tiles all down here. You in the middle. Ladder. We can cancel. Get a mesh tile here. Let's see, water pump. Good pump there. Pump there. And then where do I actually want their bathrooms at? I'm thinking kinda by their bedroom. In fact, I think this will be just one giant bathroom. Meaning we will delete this guy. Wait, no. Cancel that. I can extend you up. Over. Let's see, plumbing. We need at least 1, 2 toilets per bathroom. And this is gonna have to be taller than I would like. How about we just cancel all? And we actually do deconstruct this. And build it like this. Order up the digging of all of it. And then we will get, let's see, a sky built down here. Actually, we'll build 3 of them. Oh, why do I do that? Left click on it, really. Alright. We got the good water. Want that to come up over up here. I believe this is I just want to see the layout here. I want to believe that that's in. Yes, that's gotta be the. Wait. I'm kind of dumb when so give. It isn't analog. guess I don't know what you... Oh, and then... Oh, these gotta go out. They gotta go out and somehow get over this. Uh-oh. This... Oh, cancel that. And... where do I want to bring you? We need to get down here somehow. I honestly have no idea. I guess we'll start going from this way. Oh, I am dumb. I need to switch these. Okay. These are the ends. There we go. We just need to get you. Let's see. Squid bridge. Over. In, out, down. Oh. Okay. Jesus, that was a lot. That's actually an end. I didn't need to build that. I'm not. At least not yet. And then we can cancel. Down here and event. Alright. I think we have that sorted out now. Deodorant. Let's see, where do we got the most stinky? I think the most stinky water we got is over here. That'll fix that. I'll slap one in here as well. Alrighty. Let's see, what are y'all working on? Y'all are actually building the pipes, good. And we got another duplicate. Let's see, we want skill super duper hard digging. 3. We don't really need that right now. The rest to impress attribute bonus while stressed. B. On the practice artist, decrease creativity, increase decorum output. Or we could get some of these, which I don't know what those even do, so I'm in. Maybe we go with the digger. And skills. You got. And I think we want you to farming. Oh, and you, I never hear your hat. Alright. Priority. Okay. And I need to replace this ladder. Now what I want to do for like down here, I guess, is get our water situated so that way. I guess we still need you. Use one liquid out of it. Oh, I need this water cleaner. Skill scrubber. I didn't know that was a thing, okay. Research. Let's see, might as well get the core up. Oh, filter's not assigned. Just copy settings. You know what we will actually do? Well, we need to get this dug out, obviously. But for you, I'm thinking... I think it works no matter what. Bottle empty, okay. There. And we'll just let them get all this stuff done. But that will be a time for another episode. Speaking of, as always, hold up. That is all I got for this video. As always, please like, share, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you in the next video.